Have you ever stood up from a chair and felt your legs shake just a little? Or noticed your arms feel heavier than usual when reaching for something? Maybe walking across the room feels more tiring than it used to. No sharp pain, no big warning, just a quiet realization that your strength isn't quite what it once was. For many, these changes are dismissed as just getting older. But what if that's only part of the story? What if a few ordinary habits, done every day without thinking, are slowly chipping away at your muscle strength? It's a slow process, almost invisible at first, but over time, it can make you tired, stiff, and more dependent on others. If you're over 50 or simply want to stay strong as you age, this message is for you. Because losing strength isn't inevitable. The body can remain resilient, balanced, and capable well into later years, if you give it what it needs. And often, it starts with breaking the habits that quietly do the most harm. The hidden threat? Sarcopenia. There's a name for the slow loss of muscle as we age. Sarcopenia. It doesn't arrive with drama, no sharp symptoms or major warning signs. It sneaks in slowly. Your balance weakens. Tasks like carrying groceries, climbing stairs, or standing from a chair start to feel harder. By the time most people notice it, much of the muscle loss has already occurred. A study in the Lancet Public Health found that over 30% of adults over 60 already show signs of sarcopenia, even though many have never heard of it. That's because the decline is subtle. But here's the encouraging part. This trend isn't permanent. Muscle loss can be slowed down, and in some cases even reversed, by adjusting a few key lifestyle habits. In this video, we'll walk you through 10 daily habits that quietly weaken your muscles over time, and we'll show you simple ways to change them. Habit 1. Too much refined sugar. Most people associate sugar with weight gain or diabetes, but few realize its direct impact on muscle health. When you eat high-sugar foods like soda, candy, cookies, or even white bread, your blood sugar spikes. Your body responds by releasing insulin. But too much insulin, especially over months or years, creates chronic inflammation in your body. That inflammation disrupts muscle protein synthesis, the process your body uses to repair and build muscle. Even if you're exercising, sugar can block your progress. It also increases oxidative stress, an internal process that damages healthy muscle cells, making recovery slower and fatigue more common. Sugar hides in many unexpected places. Salad dressings, breakfast cereals, low-fat snacks, and even some breads. To reduce its impact, start reading labels carefully. Watch for terms like glucose, corn syrup, or maltodextrin. Swap out sugary snacks with apples, berries, or dates. Use cinnamon or vanilla for natural flavoring. Even small changes can help your muscles repair more effectively. Habit 2. Not drinking enough water. Water may seem basic, but it plays a vital role in muscle function. Your muscles are made up of around 75% water. Without enough hydration, they can become stiff, sore, and slower to recover, even after gentle activity. Many older adults think they're drinking enough because they sip tea, juice, or coffee. But these drinks often act as diuretics, pushing more water out of your system. Dehydration reduces circulation, meaning less oxygen and fewer nutrients reach your muscles. That can lead to cramps, weakness, and longer recovery times. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses of clean water per day. More if you're active, live in a hot climate, or take certain medications. Drink a glass first thing in the morning, and again before meals. If water feels boring, add a slice of lemon or cucumber. You can also eat water-rich foods like oranges, cucumbers, or watermelon to boost hydration naturally. Habit 3. Avoiding strength training. Strength training might sound intimidating, especially with images of heavy weights and crowded gyms. But for seniors, light resistance training is one of the best defenses against muscle loss. After age 30, the average person loses 3% to 5% of muscle per decade, and even faster after 60, unless action is taken. The good news? You don't need a gym membership, just two 30-minute sessions a week of strength-based movement, like chair squats, wall push-ups, lifting water bottles, or using resistance bands, can help maintain muscle, improve posture, and reduce the risk of falls. Strength training sends a clear message to your body. These muscles are still needed, and your body responds by protecting and repairing them. Habit 4. Eating the wrong foods. Even if you move your body and hydrate, your food choices matter. Certain foods cause chronic inflammation, interfere with muscle repair, and deplete energy over time. Here are some of the biggest offenders. Sugary drinks, including zero-calorie ones. Processed meats like sausages and deli cuts. White bread and refined flour. Fried or fast foods with trans fats. Packaged snacks high in sodium and additives. Energy drinks and excess caffeine. Artificial sweeteners that disrupt gut health. Canned foods packed with salt. Swap these with whole grains, fresh vegetables, lean proteins, and anti-inflammatory foods like olive oil, turmeric, nuts, and legumes. Your muscles need real, nutrient-rich fuel to stay strong. Habit 5. Overusing painkillers. Pain relief medications like ibuprofen or acetaminophen offer temporary comfort. But used too often, they can interfere with your body's natural healing. When you move or exercise, tiny muscle tears occur. This is normal, and your body responds with a small wave of inflammation to heal and rebuild stronger tissue. But painkillers suppress that inflammation. Over time, this can reduce muscle protein synthesis, delay recovery, and weaken overall strength. These medications can also strain your liver, kidneys, and stomach, organs essential for absorbing nutrients. Instead, consider alternatives like warm compresses, turmeric, stretching, or Epsom salt baths. And always consult your doctor before changing any medication routine. Habit 6. Not getting enough protein. Protein isn't just for athletes. As we age, our bodies actually need more protein to maintain strength. Without it, muscles struggle to recover from even simple movements. Many seniors unintentionally eat too little protein. A breakfast of toast, a lunch of soup, and a light dinner might seem fine, but it doesn't supply the amino acids needed for muscle repair. Experts recommend 1.2 to 1.5 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily. For someone weighing 65 kilograms, about 143 pounds, that's 80 to 100 grams of protein. Try adding eggs at breakfast, Greek yogurt as a snack, chicken, fish, tofu, or beans at lunch and dinner. Protein smoothies with nut butter and oats. It's not about eating a large steak, just consistent, balanced intake throughout the day. Habit 7. Poor sleep habits. Your muscles don't grow during exercise. They grow during rest, specifically during deep sleep. That's when your body repairs tissue, restores hormone levels, and regenerates energy. Many older adults struggle with sleep. They go to bed late, wake up early, or deal with frequent interruptions. A study in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that getting less than 6 hours of sleep per night significantly reduces growth hormone production, a key ingredient in muscle repair. Build a sleep routine. Go to bed and wake up at the same time. Avoid screens before bed, create a dark, cool room, and avoid caffeine or heavy meals in the evening. Rest isn't optional, it's where strength is rebuilt. Habit 8. Skipping breakfast. After fasting all night, your body needs fuel, especially your muscles. Skipping breakfast, or starting with sugary, low-protein foods like toast and coffee, leaves your body in a breakdown mode. That means it continues to use muscle tissue for energy instead of rebuilding it. Over time, this leads to fatigue, slower metabolism, and more weakness throughout the day. Try starting your day with protein and fiber. A boiled egg and toast, oatmeal with seeds and banana, or a smoothie with yogurt and peanut butter can help your muscles begin repairing from the start. Habit 9. Sitting too long. Extended sitting, especially in front of a TV or at a table, sends a message to your body. These muscles aren't needed. The longer you sit, the more your leg, hip, and core muscles begin to weaken. Even if you exercise for 30 minutes, sitting for the remaining 8 to 10 hours can undo much of that benefit. A study in the Journals of Gerontology found that long sedentary periods are linked to faster muscle loss and reduced mobility in adults over 60. The fix? Break up your sitting time. Every 30 to 40 minutes, stand up, stretch, or take a short walk, even if it's just around the house. Do calf raises while brushing your teeth, or light leg lifts while watching TV. These small moves keep muscles active and responsive. Habit 10. Staying inactive after meals. After a full meal, it's common to sit or lie down to relax. But doing so slows down digestion, spikes your blood sugar, and reduces nutrient delivery to your muscles when they need it most. Instead of staying sedentary, try light movement after eating. A 5 to 10 minute walk, stretching, or even gentle chores can improve digestion and support muscle recovery. You don't need to break a sweat, just stay upright and engaged. Muscle loss after 60 doesn't happen overnight. It builds up through small, daily choices. But the good news is, you have the power to change the story. Whether it's drinking more water, moving after meals, or adding a bit more protein to your plate, small steps can protect your strength, balance, and independence. So, which habit will you start with today? If you found this video helpful, like, comment, and share it with someone who might benefit. And don't forget to subscribe to the Healthy Front channel for more practical health tips to help you stay active, energized, and independent, no matter your age. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay strong and stay well.